Alright guys, how you doing? This is Jay the Barber. First of all, I want to thank you guys for purchasing my DVD, Barber Quest, and now I'm going to take you on your Barber Quest. First thing I want to do is get into the tools and the things that you need and how to use these tools, alright? First of all, very important, disinfectant spray, alright? Disinfectant spray cures all diseases, all germs. This is a must right here. You need this, and you spray this before every haircut on clippers, because you could give people, rashes, diseases, bumps, and everything like that. Next, for your own personal safety, you need hand sanitizer, all right? Always hand sanitize, all right? Next, we have the Marvicide, all right? You need this to disinfect your combs, all right? Next, we have water, a bottle of water. We need this for our scissor segment. Also, alcohol, very important. You spray this on after every haircut. You spray this on the customer in the areas that you use the machine. All right. Then I have my Club Men. I use this to do my razor techniques. I lube up the face, and this will make the razor move a lot smoother. You'll see later. You'll see more of that later on. Shaving cream. Shaving cream is definitely a must. Also, it makes the skin nice and open up the pores and everything. All right. Next we have our scissors, alright? We need scissors. We have our comb, always need a comb. And then we have our blade. I get a lot of emails about this blade. This is the same blade that you guys have. It fits the same blades. We need our blades, we need our razors. It fits the same exact thing. This is a different style of opening up. The other blades open up this way, alright? Then we have our brush. Very important for skin fading. It gets the hair out the way. It's definitely a must. Paper towels. You want to change your paper towel every time when you're wiping off a machine and so on. You want to put this on a barber chair. When you're shaving somebody. Also the tissue. I like to use the tissue to wipe off my machine, wipe off my razor. This is definitely important. All right. Now I want to get into a little bit about the clips and the machines. All right, guys, come over here. This is my 1 inch, my 3/4, my half, my 3/8, my 1/4, my 1/8, and my 1/16. Alright guys? Alright, all these clips are equivalent to each other. That means all these clips at one point on the masters equal to each other, alright? So if I have this on my machine right here, which is my 1 inch, alright? This 1 inch closed, alright, is the same thing as this 3/4 open. So this is the same thing as this clip when it's open, alright? Next, we go to our half, alright? Our half open is the same thing as this 3/4 close, alright? And we got our 3/8, alright? Our 3/8 open is the same thing as this half closed, alright? So they all equal to each other, and so forth and so forth and so forth. Alright, we got our 1/4. Our 1/4 open is the same thing as this clip closed. Alright? Same thing over here. We got our 1/8. Our 1/8 open is the same thing as this clip closed. And we got the same thing with the 1/16, alright? 1/16 open, same thing as that clip closed. Alright, now 1/16 closed, same thing as this master open, alright? Here we go. This is our 0. Alright? This is considered our 1. The 1/16 is considered a 1 also. But how do we consider that a 1? Once we close the machine and place the 1/16 on it. That's a 1. And this is the 1. It just works different on different textures of hair, alright? When you got somebody's hair that's a little rougher, you might want to use the masters open, alright? That's the same thing as that. Alright, so here we go. We got our 1. When we open it up all the way, we got our 1.5. Alright? Moving on. When we got this closed, this 1/8, when we got this closed, this is our 1.5. Alright? When we got it open, this is our 2. Alright? Now it's our 1/4. When we got this one closed, what is it? It's the 2. Alright? And when we got it open, it's the 2.5. Alright? Now when we got this closed, what is it? It's the 2.5. When we got it open, it's the 3. You're right. Alright? And we got our half. We got our half closed. What is it? It's the 3. We got it open. It's our 3.5. Alright? And we got our 3/4 closed. 3.5, 4. Probably wouldn't be using this clip at all, guys. You use a clip like this is because you can't use the scissors. This clip is really made for people who really can't use the scissors. I mean, it really makes no sense to use this clip. This is, for a lot of hair. All right, guys. All right, next we got our Andis Excels. You can use the 76s also. It's the same thing. Takes metal clips. This will make the haircut a lot more cleaner. All right. Use these to make when you're making your one lines on your fade. I talk a lot about that in our fade segments and everything. You're gonna learn a lot, guys. Just pay attention to the DVD. Keep rewinding this. Pay attention to this. We got our T outliners. T outliners very important. You want the T outliner. You don't want regular outliners. All right. You don't want regular outliners. You want the T outliner because these are gonna help you get into the corners, create our beards. These corners are very important. All right, guys. This is a very important machine right here. You don't want outliners. Remember, if you got outliners, buy a T blade. All right. We need these T's to make nice corners and make that roundness. This is our pencil. The T outliner is definitely the pencil. This is definitely the tip of the pencil. This is the drawing. You draw with this. All right. All right. And then we got our shaver. Shavers are good when you can't shave. Use this at the bottom of the neck on people. You can use it for the fades to make it nice and tight. Definitely got to make sure you spray this though after everybody. Always make sure you spray. Definitely got to spray. All right, guys. I want to thank you guys once again for buying the Barber Quest DVD. I'm ready to guide you guys on your Barber Quest. So go to the next chapter and let's get it going. Good luck, guys.